bathed in the soft light of golden hour. These vast groves represent the beginning of a premium.
All right, lowering the bins now. Watch the alignment.
Perfect transfer. Let's check the first layer, looking for any bruising.
This aseptic filling technology allows orange juice to be stored at room temperature until opening, extending distribution possibilities.
If we adjust the flow rate here, we could optimize output even further.
I agree. The quality is already excellent, but that ensures we maintain our premium standard.
We need to address the downtime on line 3.
My team is running diagnostics now.
Let's cross-reference that with the quality trends from that batch.
Did you check the pressure on line 3?
Yes, holding steady at 50 psi. Go ahead and seal the valve.
Pay close attention to the flow rate during pasteurization.
What is the protocol if we see a deviation?
All equipment must be sanitized according to the 7-step procedure.
The sanitation standards here are excellent, but we should look at the equipment uptime on the new filler.
We've scheduled the calibration for Thursday.
I'll make a note to follow up on the PM completion.
Okay, I have the manifest right here.
Let me cross-check the batch numbers on the tablet. Everything seems to be in order.
It says 100% pure squeezed, no concentrate.
Yeah. Yes, and the bottle keeps it fresher. Let's get this one.
I like the bottle. There we go. Nothing like fresh squeezed in the morning.
It looks delicious, honey.
To the freshest juice. Cheers, everyone.